Legend tells of a caped crusader, Batman, guardian of New Gotham, and his one true love, Catwoman, the queen of the criminal underworld. Their passion left behind something extraordinary. A daughter, Huntress. Half metahuman, she has taken up her father's mantle and under cover of the night fights to protect the innocent and helpless. Joining her in this struggle, Oracle, who was once Batman's protege, Batgirl. She was caught in the crossfire of the war between Batman and Joker. Now she fights crime a different way. A master of the cyber realms, a mentor and trainer to heroes. Together they had taken in a young runaway, Dinah, a metahuman herself, with powers to open hidden doors to the mind, powers that she is only beginning to explore. Together, these three are the protectors of New Gotham, the Birds of Prey. My name is Alfred Pennyworth, and this is their story.